What's good, sneaker family? It's your boy Fabe back with another one, and today we're going to be doing the Air Jordan 11 Anniversary Edition from the year 2010. This pair's been through a little bit of wear and tear, but don't worry, Fabes Sole Sauce is going to get that all back. First, you want to take your Fabes Sole Sauce and apply it to the affected area. On Jordan 11s, you want to go ahead and hit every area on the sole except for the pods, simply because you don't want to waste the product and it might discolor it, so just simply avoid it altogether. Then you want to go ahead and cover it with saran wrap. Once again, I always recommend using 2 pieces of saran wrap just so you get it nice and even around the sole. After that, you're going to want to put it under sunlight or UV light if you have one. Once again, I do recommend doing both, sunlight during the day and then UV at night, just to keep that process going. After your sessions are done, simply remove the saran wrap and wash off the remaining sauce and look at your results. Depending on how bad your soles are, may determine how many times you do have to do this process. This particular pair took me 7 sessions at 24 hours each session to get these results. And there you have it. You've just restored your 2010 Anniversary 11s. Go ahead and give yourself a nice little pat on the back there. Look at how icy them things are. The link for Fabes Sole Sauce is in the description below. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for there to be many more videos to come. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. Once again, thanks for watching.